weapon place here. We're in town of Olive right now. There's a very shiny red Model 5. Wow, that thing is red. So wow, there's a Model 5. So wow. They're big. It's a big siren. You don't realize how big they are until you're really close to them. One moment. Wow, guys, look at that. Model 5. But you guys always saw it. Wait. Now the sun, now facing the sun, so bad contrast. Really bad contrast. Okay, guys, I hear some weird noises in there, so I feel like the sun's gonna go off. So I'm moving away a bit. Awesome. End it here.